Today I'm going to replace the head on my friend's djembe. Somebody had stuck something through it and broken the djembe. So today I'm going to replace the head. Here I've ordered a goat skin head and it's soaking in warm water. And I need to get this ring off, so the first step is going to be to get the old head off of the ring. We're going to reuse the ring. And I've got some wire cutters here. And I'm just going to get the ring out. All right, old head's gone. Now we have the ring. So this djembe has the metal tighteners, the fasteners with the hoop ring. Here's the ring that it attaches to. So we're going to be using those fasteners to pull the head down onto it. Soaking the goat skin in some lukewarm water to get it soft and supple so we can stretch it over the head. I'm going to let this soak for about an hour. So I've got my skin now. It's been soaked for about an hour. This is an 11-inch drum. It's a Sonor Champion drum. Solid wood, it's really nice. So it's an 11-inch drum, and I've got a 16-inch, or supposed 16-inch goat skin head. Pulling all the skin off through so that it's come all the way through the drum head. Now I'm going to line up tensioners, start hooking them up. So now we'll do a final pulling through. Make sure it's all tight. And you certainly don't want to pull the head too taut before it's dry. I'm just putting a little bit of tension on it so it'll form in place, so that there are no loose places, sloppy places in the head drum where I have extra tightening to do. So I'm going to try to get it somewhat tight. Pulling all the slack that I can around the ring. And I'm just snugging these hand tight to hold it. Also making sure that the ring is fairly level all the way around. There's no high places. I don't want it to be cattywampus across the head. I want it to be rather the distance down from here to here the same. I'm also checking that. And now that we have it pretty firm, pretty even all the way around, we have to let it dry, and then we'll put the final tension on it where it's at playing tension. For right now, I just want to kind of get all the rest of this out if I can. Make sure it's going to be nice. You can leave the excess skin around like this. If you had a lot of leftover, you might want to trim it. I'm probably going to trim it a little bit closer. And you definitely want to do this while it's wet. It'll be easier to cut that way. All right, run around one more time. Make sure they're all a little bit taut. You want to be very careful not to puncture this area with the knife. So I'm holding it away from the drum. I'm just using this as a guide and holding it straight across and just gently just cutting off the excess. There you go. Drum head complete, trimming done. And we'll let that dry. And once it's completely dry, then I'll put the final tension on it and it'll be ready to play. The skin has now dried for a whole day and we'll see how it sounds.